All-in-one, battery charger automotive 10 amp 12 volts and 24 volts fully automatic smart. It's smaller but delivers more power. It's the all-in-one solution battery charger, battery maintainer, trickle charger, plus battery desulfator. Charge or repair all 12 volts and 24 volts lead-acid automotive, marine, and deep cycle batteries, including AGM, gel, SLA, and flooded-in cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, boats, marine, etc. Lithium batteries are not allowed. Restore your battery, built-in advanced battery repair mode to help to recover old, idle batteries and extend battery life. If the car battery charger cannot charge the battery, please use repair mode. The high-frequency and low-frequency pulse technology has good repair and activation effects. Note: it cannot activate a dead battery or repair a damaged battery. Enjoy precision charging. Using a backlit LCD, the battery charger automotive clearly and visibly shows an LCD screen displaying the charging status and battery status. An integrated thermal sensor detects the ambient temperature and alters the charge to eliminate overcharging in hot climates and undercharging in cold climates. 8. Charging protection. The charging cable contains heat-resistant and oxidation-resistant copper wire, which is not easy to break. It has protection circuits such as overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, short course, with functions such as overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, reverse connection protection, overheat protection, overvoltage protection, and undervoltage protection. Intelligent memory. The car battery charger mode has a memory function. After charging, it defaults to the state mode used before the last power failure. Bright memory is convenient to use. Repair mode without memory function. Note: it can't jump start the car, only the battery charging function. Requires power connection. Top reviews from the United States. This thing works miracles. My mother's gel cells on her wheelchair were dead, and we were told that nothing could be done but replace them. Once gel cell was reading -2 volts. Very consistently. I did a number of unrecommended things to get it back into the positive voltage ranges, and then put it on this thing for a day when I didn't think I could get any more juice back into them. After extensive conventional charging they were stuck around 5 and 9 volts resting voltage. This thing did its magic for a day and I can't tell the difference between these things and new gel cells. These were actually pretty new cells that were not charged correctly by an employee at her assisted living. Those gel cells are about $300 each, so this $30 device saved me $600 on its first use. I just used it this morning on our minivan battery that wouldn't take a charge after being jumped, and it started up just fine this morning. I am not sure if this was something that was just gonna take more time or not, but it did a great job with a normal car battery as well.